Assalamu alaikum, dear cadets, how are you? I am lecturer Sabbir, Department of Economics, MCSK. Today we will discuss about some important issues in economics. Firstly, we will discuss about demand, then we will discuss about law of demand, and after that we will discuss about demand schedule, and finally we will draw demand curve with that given schedule. So firstly, what is demand? Demand is an economic situation where a consumer is willing to pay for a goods at a definite price. This is called demand. For demand, three important things are very necessary. First one, desire to get, that is desire to get. Secondly, ability to pay. And thirdly, willingness to pay. These 3 points are very important to be an effective demand. Now, we will discuss about demand law. What is demand law? We know there exists a very close relationship with price and quantity demanded. If price increases, quantity demand decreases. If price decreases, quantity demand increases. This inverse relationship with demand and price is called demand law. Okay. So now we will discuss about demand schedule. What is demand schedule? Demand schedule is a presentation of demand law by a given table. That is, this is a table. There exist 2 columns. This is left column and this is right columns. Left column shows price, right column shows quantity demanded. We write QD, that is quantity demanded. So hypothetically we put some values here, that is if price is 1, quantity demand say 20. Okay. If price 2, quantity demand 15. If price 3, quantity demand 10. You see here the inverse relationship is showing with this table, that is when price 1, quantity demand is 20, when price 2, quantity demand 15, and when price 3, quantity demand is 10. That is when price increasing, quantity demand decreasing. And alternatively, when we start with 3, that is when price is 3, quantity demand 10, when price 2, quantity demand is 15, and when price is 1, quantity demand is 20. That is inverse relationship with price and quantity. This is the law of demand, and the law of demand is presented here with this table. And with this table we can draw demand curve. Okay. Now we will see how we can draw demand curve with this table. You see, for the drawing demand curve we need 2 axes. This is a vertical axis, OY axis, and this is horizontal axis, OX axis. In vertical axis we shows price, and in horizontal axis we shows quantity demanded, QD. Okay. So we see here when price is 1, quantity demand is 20. That is, we focus a point here 1, and secondly 2, and thirdly 3. These 3 points here, and we will again plot the values of quantity demanded, that is 10, 15 and 20. Now we will combine these points, that is when price is 1, quantity demand is 20, that is we will combine this point 20, and when price is 2, quantity demand is 15, that is when price is 2, quantity demand is 15. Again we plot point, that is if we give this the name of this point A, this point B, okay, And finally, when price is 3, we get demand 10. That is, for 3, we get demand 10. Okay. Now we will combine all these points A, B, and C. Okay. So if we combine these points like this, and we just draw these lines, then we will get our desired demand curve, that is A, B. This is our desired demand curve, and this demand curve shows the inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded, and this is the negative curve. Okay. This negative curve is downward sloping from left to right, and this is also called opposite relationship between quantity demanded and price. That's why it is a negative slope curve, and we know in a normal demand curve has negative slope. Okay, because we know the law of demand, as it is said that in the law of demand there exists inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. For this inverse relationship, when we will plot a diagram of demand curve, then we will get this curve A, B. This is the demand curve. So I hope all of you understand today's class. If you have any doubt, please let me know. We will discuss it in our next classes. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.